Bonjour, hi! Si vous préférez, j'ai une version en français de cette vidéo. Cliquez juste ici, en haut à droite. Welcome to my channel. This video is to explain a little bit about the channel and about me. Let me introduce myself. I'm Frank Boucher, Microsoft Azure MVP based in Montreal in Canada. An MVP is an award that Microsoft gives to most valuable professional. It just means that I'm really active in the community and I'm not paid for. One of those activities that I do is doing video. Every second week, I will publish short video to answer technical questions and show you the best practices regarding the cloud computing. I'm doing it in French and English because that's my reality. Some day I need to work in French and other day I need to work in English. Both languages are the official languages in Canada. Where you can help me is by asking questions on the comment sections or by reaching out in any social media. You can find me on Twitter, on Facebook. I also have two blogs, of course, one in French, Cloud en Français, and one in English, Frankie's Notes. You should subscribe and click the bell icon. This way you won't miss any of my videos. See you soon. Thanks.